Do you know I'm videoing?
What's that?
I'm videoing.
Oh, okay. S Radig Fishing in the house.
Yeah, so how are you catching the trout?
Yeah, not the trout all have lockjaw today.
No.
You say whatever you want to say.
Happy New Year, kids! And so, in Port Sulphur, we ran into S Radig Fishing in Port Sulphur, Louisiana. And then, when it was daytime, we went in a trout spot, and we didn't catch nothing.
Fail.
And then at nighttime, we caught fish. Check it out on our video. And like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like that.
That's good. That's good, dude. That's pretty good. Oh.
Now we're leaving. Because it was a fail. So, yeah.
What you doing?
We'll just go fish on the lake with S Radig Fishing. Go check him out on YouTube. Like and subscribe my channel and S Radig Fishing's channel. Subscribe. So we've got 8 speckled trout. Last time we came, but not this time. So that's weird, right, kids? Yeah. Subscribe and like, people. We need 1,000 subscribers. Hit that play button. Come on, people. Please. Like and subscribe.
Steal.
That was in your spot, buddy.
They go with a measure.
Huh?
It's a measure.
We don't need the measurer.
Oh no, he's small. He's actually, you gonna release him for me? Whoop. Keep him from getting away.
This will be the circus I was referring to in the last video.
Let me get some light for you. There you go. All right, don't fall in.
His tail's stuck in the... Go away, Pop. Over there. Does he like me?
I think he likes you.
I forgot to kiss him. No, I'm not doing that.
Confused.
This is a crab.
You think he's going to go eat that?
For a sneak attack.
Oh, you think he's going to sneak attack the crab? I bet he's not.
There he goes.
What the heck are you doing, Redfish? Going for the sneak.
Yeah, keep water. Don't fall in. There you go.
Thought you were going to follow him. Who caught the fish?
That dude.
Who's that dude?
That's Radig Fishing. So I guess we get back to fishing.
Now you got to get back to fishing?
Sheephead.
Sheephead.
Tights.
How did you catch them? And we needed that last year for a tournament.
Yeah, this one's kind of little.
Yeah, it was a little bit on the small side, dude.
They got some spines.
Are you gonna release them?
You want to?
No.
I was gonna say they got the. Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to get the quick release.
He was trying to get me, but
Nope.
got away.
It's a rat, Red. It's a rat.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Wait.
You have the hook out.
Huh?
It's broken.
You got you?
Red.
What happened?
Yeah, bit.
You got bit?
No, I think I got hooked.
You got hooked?
Looks like the same one.
Here, go film him, dude. Oh, hold up. You film that. I'm gonna see what's on here.
Oh, that don't sound like a hook. Oh, get the hook out. Smile. Look at there. What your dad got?
What?
Wow.
What are you talking about?
Dad, can we measure him?
No, you can't measure him. He's a little bit guy.
No, he's not.
Oh,
Dad, release him right here, and I'm gonna put the camera on the.
We're in the fish now.
why is he going that way?
Say hello to the camera, John.
Hello, camera.
Have one again?
Yeah, a little pinfish, I think.
Dang. Dang, little pinkfish.
Yeah, snagged him under the jaw.
And pinfish. We got pinfish.
Yep.
Pinfish.
Yeah, you know what they call them? Pinfish? All them little needly sharp pin fins that eat you up.
Yeah.
All right.
Subscribe to his YouTube channel and like.
Like and subscribe, huh?
And to my channel, Gen
Yep.
7 Fishing and S Radig Fishing.